this song I have to play over back.
Yeah.
Okay. Set our heads. Fly out the middle of the one that if they have been to make some boy that said that. Oh, me say me now beg none of them none. Me done got me thing. I do care me drive it big. Set our heads. Fly out regular them.
Whoa. A long time Jamaican experience him type of vibes, you know. The online clash, but yo, the entire country go crazy. Anyways, I'm not here for that. I'm here to teach you guys how to install LUT files in Premiere Pro. So this is a fast editing technique for beginners. Alright, roll intro. So a LUT file is a quick editing technique to color grade. So you can get LUTs anywhere online. Just check on YouTube and you can find LUTs for your specific camera. Let me show you how you import LUTs into Premiere Pro. Well, I'm a Premiere Pro user. I've never used Final Cut Pro or any other editing software. So let me show you how to do it in Premiere Pro. First, open Premiere Pro. Well, I already have the footage on my desktop, which is a 60 frame, well not 60, 120 frames per second footage, which I'm going to slow down at the end. New project, let's call it LUT. Let's save this project to the desktop. I already have my file on the desktop. Let me import this file. So a couple years ago, when I just started editing, I used to like color the footage. I'm like, why is it that it takes so long? Because I didn't know that there was a faster way to edit footage in Premiere Pro. So you need to create an adjustment layer. An adjustment layer is where all the information, all the color grading process happens on, instead of the actual project itself. So this is how you create an adjustment layer. New item, adjustment layer. Okay, then drag that adjustment layer to the timeline, drag it across. In order for you to add LUTs to Premiere Pro, there's a option called Lumetri Color. Cool. If you don't see Lumetri Color, you go Windows and click Lumetri Colors. Alright, which will appear on your right hand screen of the program. You go Basic Correction, Input LUT, Browse, because I've already downloaded a couple LUT files before. I have some of them on my computer. Then I normally use Autumn Rec 709, which I then tweak in the process. Okay. Then you can see the minor adjustments. Minor adjustments. So what I normally do, I normally tweak the colors a bit to fit my preference. So you can find LUT files anywhere online for your specific camera. And LUT files mostly works for camera that can shoot log profile. But if your camera doesn't have a log profile, you can adjust your camera for that, which I'll tell you guys how to do that in another episode. Okay, let me just play around with this footage for a bit. Yeah. Okay. So the before and then the after. Cool. Well, let me go back to my clash. Yo, that clash is bad still. Like, comment, subscribe.